What's going on YouTube? So a stock that I want to talk about today is MRIN. This stock has been absolutely insane. Okay. I did have someone in my Discord that was watching this on the breakout. I think they were in at $6.80, $7 and something cents when it got halted, and then it came out of the halt. And when it came out of the halt, it was $1 higher, and then they ended up selling. And then after hours, it exploded, and then the following day, so forth and so forth. We all missed out on kind of a good runner. But if you guys have been playing this stock, congratulations. This stock has been absolutely just, just a monster. So it's on watch for tomorrow for myself. There's a couple of levels that I'd like to look at here on this chart. I would like to buy it on a bounce into strength, just due to the fact that we hit a high. We hit a high today of $19.95, so $20. So that's going to be a very, very critical area where either there's going to be a lot of profit taking that's going on, and or it's going to make another leg higher. However, I've got the hourly chart here pulled up. Let me just pull up the daily chart to get a better macro view. So this was the day that we broke out here, going back to 628. 628, it got halted in this candle here. One of the people in my Discord, a buddy of mine, was in the sixes, and then it came out on top at 752. Good move for him. However, what happened the following day? It was just a complete gap and go all the way up to a high of $18.82. So we completely missed out on a fantastic move. Had a bit of a rest day, did come down here and test a linear regression line, as well as the rising 5-day support here, the 5-day moving average on the daily chart. And then today, again, just took out previous day's highs and just exploded to 1995. So this stock is definitely going to be on watch. I'm mainly going to be watching it from the hourly time frame perspective here. What I'm looking at here is for a little bit of a sell-off, a little bit of a back test. I'd like to back test the 50 SMA on the hourly chart. So the 50 SMA on the hourly chart is going to put us at $12.41. Does it get there? I'm not sure. The only reason why I'm looking at this key level is because you could see here, after we had this run up here to $18.87, we kind of sold off here, sold off, and we touched perfectly to a T the 50 SMA. And as soon as we touched it, we got this nice bounce, a little bit of consolidation, and then we had this massive candle today, and then obviously a little bit of profit taking and sell off here. So if we can come back and back test this 50-day moving average here at around the 1250 areas, I would be looking for it to hold this area. And if it can hold this area, look for the bounce up to possibly make that next leg higher, retest 1995, and continue. Fantastic trade. Also, we can take a look at it from a scalping perspective here. If we take a look at it from a scalping perspective, and if I zoom this way here, we're going to see that $17.50 is going to be a key level. It touched it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, tested this on an intraday, on a scalping perspective. That 1750 area is going to be huge. Also, you can see why, because we have a ton of supply here in the range of 14 to 1580s. As soon as we get through 1580s, there is going to be a sneaky channel here. It will be a little bit more choppy. It will be a little bit more rocky. However, if you're looking to take a little bit more risk on this, I think you can get into this trade at about 1580s. 1580s could potentially give you a 2-point move to retest 14 or 1750. And if it doesn't, you see it start to lose a little bit of steam and it starts to stall out, you can take profits in this vicinity here on the 5th retest. However, the more times something gets retested, either it just breaks down all the way or it finally confirms and shoots up to the upside here. So 1750 definitely on the 5-minute chart is an area that you want to be looking for on a retest. The 1580s, that sneaky $2 area here, there's 2 points worth of upside here. Just know that if you do take it on the 1580s, please, please, please take profits on the way up here, because if we do get rejected, you don't want to be stuck in a trade as it's moving against you. Obviously, anything closing over 1747 can shoot this higher back up to the $20 range. I like to play the hourly candle just because of the fact that there's only 6 candles in a day. I can kind of get a very, very clear picture of what the stock is doing. So I'm not so much monitoring what's going on a minute by minute basis. Kind of gives me a better overall picture. This is forming a nice little, like a flag here. So if we were to draw a trend line straight down from this wick's top, this wick's top, and this wick's top, we're going to come down right here, and it's going to put you right about that $17 area. So it's going to correlate perfect with that 5-minute chart on the $17.50. However, on the hourly time frame, tomorrow's Friday. This weekend is 4th of July weekend. Volume was a little bit dry today on a lot of stocks across the board. So if we do get a little bit of selling pressure in the morning, look for it to back test the 50 SMA on the 1 hour time frame. That's going to put you in the vicinity of around $12.50. Give yourself a little bit of room, okay? Not all the time does it come down to the exact penny. We might come down to 12.20 and then, reclaim that 50-day moving average. We might get down to 12.60 and then, you kind of miss your mark. So you're going to kind of have to play with it. You're going to kind of have to see where your comfortability level is on this. But somewhere in that vicinity of the 50-day moving average at around 12.50 is where I would like to take this on a bounce, possibly to U-shape back up. So if we were to come down here and let's say we take a bounce off of this 12.50, 12.49 area, we kind of come up here in the 12.70s and I see it back test once more and then pop back up again. That might be my indication for me to go long on this stock to start this next leg higher. I would love to retest the 1750s and obviously retest the $20 area from $12.50, $12.70 all the way up to $17 and $20 is a great move. Always remember, guys, take profits on the way up. RSI is looking pretty decent today. We were oversold Monday through Wednesday. Kind of had a little bit of that selling pressure, a little bit of that profit taking, and we're looking pretty good right now. Currently down $1 after hours. I got no problem with that. Stock is strong. It's to be expected when a stock has made a move from $6 all the way to $20 in a couple of days. You've got to expect some selling pressure here. So selling is not bad. People do need to take their profits. Great winner for those of you guys who are in this stock between $6, $7, $8, $9 even 10. I mean, you guys are doing a fantastic job with this stock. Wish I could have been in the trade with you guys. However, it is on my watch. Hopefully on this next go around, I will be in this trade with you guys. Also, guys, please do me a favor, like this video, hit the subscribe button. I also do have a private Discord where I call out my signals, stocks that I'm trading, kind of give a little bit of market recap news, do some of these type of videos on the specific stocks that we are all trading in my Discord. It's less than $1 a day, less than a cup of coffee. Hopefully I see you guys all in there. And if I don't, I will see you guys all on the next YouTube video. So until then, guys, good luck, and I will see you guys next time.